The THC NC series from Fenghe is the latest in their series of fully automatic tungsten carbide sawing machines and has a whole range of operational features and options to ensure optimum cutting performance and production efficiency in your workshop. The automatic stack-up line loader can process material from 2,000 to 6,000 millimeters in length and can hold a stack of material up to 95 millimeters wide. Once the loader is stacked up, the automatic hydraulic material lifter then lifts the material into the feeder for processing. The servo motor and ball screw feed transmission ensures that the material is reliably and accurately fed to the vise for processing. The hydraulic vise feed holds the material accurately during cutting and also feeds the correct lengths of material into the vise for each subsequent cut. The hydraulic saw head feed comes as standard on this machine to allow fast, accurate cutting. But as an additional option, a servo motor and ball screw transmission can be fitted to further enhance accuracy. One of the special production features of this machine is that during those long cutting cycles, the head and tail pieces of each section can be automatically separated from other cut pieces by the out feeder, which directs them into an alternate hopper for recycling or disposal. With the ease of use of the control system on this machine, continuous work cycles are no issue. So once the line loader is stacked with raw material, you can just leave it to do what it does best, ensuring that your production throughput is always maintained at maximum efficiency. The conversational interface of the touchscreen control panel makes setting up jobs simplicity itself and is available in a whole range of language options tailored to each client's specific requirements. Fenghe provides a whole range of options for their cutting machines to ensure that each unit perfectly matches your cutting requirements. The THC series from Fenghe is engineered for the best possible cutting performance, and with its wide range of precision operational features and optional accessories provides a perfect fit for all of your cutting requirements.